Hey guys, this is Tech Rookies and today we are going to see this 50,000 rupees editing PC build. The motherboard which we are using for this build is the Asus Prime A320MK, which can cost around 3600 rupees. The processor for this build will be the AMD Ryzen 5 2600, which will cost you around 10,000 rupees. Also the 250GB SSD from Kingston, where we will install the OS. This cost around 2500 rupees. We will be using the HyperX Fury 8GB RAM, which will cost you around 2700 rupees. For the graphics card, we will use the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 4GB graphics card, which will cost you around 10,000 rupees. The Entech 550 watts power supply, which will cost you around 2700 rupees. And the Entech GX202 as a cabinet, which will cost around 2500 rupees. A full HD 21.5-inch BenQ display worth 8000 rupees. The keyboard and the mouse combo from Ant Esports worth 1300 rupees. And all the parts with GST come up to 50,000 rupees. All the links to buy will be in the description. Thanks for watching.